Welcome everyone to Build 33, Part 1. I'm very excited to be doing another Caselabs SMA8 build. So this is now the third that we've done on the channel, and something that you'll notice when we do a number of builds into the same case is an evolution across our designs. So we come up with an original concept. It might be mods, loop design. Specifically, loop design is where we really like to focus. Our passion at Singularity Computers is obviously liquid cooling, the cooling system. So something that I've really been wanting to do in the Caselabs SMA8 is a full symmetrical parallel dual loop design with the colors completely separated and divided. But in the last couple of SMA8 builds, due to the choices of the customers, we were unable to complete this design the way that I wanted to. And I mean, it really, as you see, it comes down to customer requests, but we can build on and improve our ideas sometimes across builds. And this is something that's really important to us because we always like to improve, and you guys get to see something different. But really, when it comes down to it, there is only so much you can do in a normal kind of box case. And that's why we are also taking things further in other directions, which I'm really looking forward to showing you guys with Spectre, our new case. I cannot wait to build into that thing. And I mean, I haven't even been able to get my hands on my own Spectre yet because they've just been under such high demand. But anyway, in this case, due to the configuration that the customer chose, which I actually had nothing to do with it, it's just by coincidence that the customer chose the inverted motherboard tray and the extended top, which both go together, as you will see, to create this exact loop configuration that we've been going for so long. We've been trying to complete the design that we wanted to. So you can see what we're going for here, and it's going to require quite a lot of mods to the case. So the case mods so far, and this is probably going to be all of it, is a modified midplate. I've cut out the original midplate and replaced it just to clean it up, and also for the through panel holes, the cable routing, because we want parallel cables. The 24 pin will come out horizontally, but the EPS and the PCIe needs to be vertical. It's part of this whole loop design and the design of this build. It will be very important later on, as you will see. We've also done a custom reservoir mounting plate, which is something that we often do in Caselabs cases, except this time I've cut out the entire section behind it, and that's just because there's no need to have two panels in a row there. It just makes things a lot cleaner and easier. I've also done a lot of other through panel holes going up into the top compartment. As you can now see, part of the loop is going to be up there, the GPU loop. And this is the only way that we can achieve the parallel design, and it may look complex, but if you actually overall measure the tube length, it is about roughly what it normally is, maybe a little bit on the longer side for the GPU loop, but I think it's worth it to achieve this configuration.